Well, here we have it. We're going to have a massive cook-up. This is one of the easiest recipes you'll do, okay? But the most important thing is you need a spit to do it. So I'm going to run through a few things of what we've got going here. I've got a nice, beautiful bit of pork, okay? So we're going to fry that off shortly and then put it on the spit, and also a leg of lamb. Now if this doesn't feed the crew, nothing will, okay? So we're going to start off with the pork. We'll cut this open, okay? Get it all out here. Beautiful bit of pork there. Don't mind the hands are all washed and clean, ready to go. Alright, so we'll get rid of that. Okay, the key is oil and seasoning. Okay, so I like to use on the pork a bit of chicken barbecue. Okay, this stuff here rocks your socks. The crew love it. Okay, so we'll start off with a bit of oil. You want to put plenty on there, yeah? Plenty of oil, because what we want to do is we want to have the crackling just superb, yeah? Alright, so plenty of seasoning. I mean, this is so simple. You buy a bit of pork, it costs you, you know, like 15-20 bucks, right? And straight on there, and what we're going to do, while that fat's rendering off, we'll start to get the lamb out, okay? It's a good idea not to mix up boards, yeah? Because otherwise you cross-contaminate, even though we're out in the bush, and you know, we don't have to be too precious, but you don't want to make people sick, yeah? So got a fair few people here today, so we're going to need to feed the camera crew and everyone else. So here we go, we'll pull the lamb out. Alright, we'll give this a little bit of an oil. We don't have to go overboard with the lamb. Okay, that pork's sizzling away nicely there. Right, now the lamb, I like to put a bit of spicy barbecue on it. Alright, this gives it a real bit of tang, so hopefully your guests like a bit of heat. If not, just use a bit of salt and pepper, it's fine, yeah? And you can season this whilst it's on the spit as well, so you don't have to worry too much about what you're doing at the moment, alright? So here we have a spit rod that we've made up, okay? Bit of stainless steel. We'll put the lamb straight through there. You want to try to get it in the centre. Key is keep it nice and even, right? You push that down. And here we are, we've made some stainless steel spikes up. Sleeve slips over there. I'll bring it up here so you can see it a little bit clearer. Push those in, beautiful, yeah? Tighten up your wing nut. The job's right. Okay, we'll sit this just down here for a second. We'll check on our pork. Flip her over. And that's all coming up nicely. Key is plenty of heat on this stuff. You want the pork really crackling. This is the key to having great pork. Great crackling on your pork. I'll give it a little bit more oil. And the pork, you can never have enough seasoning on this sucker. It's just the way to go. You can even use the brush, give it a bit of a brush over. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sizzling away beautifully. You can put it straight on the spit without rendering the pork off. It'll still be fine, but I like to do it. It gives it great crackling. So we'll just give that a few minutes there. Tell you one thing, I know for sure, I'm having a bit of a dry argument. This beer is just about done. Oh, how you going there, King? Good man.
Alright, crackers. It's looking pretty salubrious, actually.
Very salubrious, King, so thanks for that. We'll,
no worries.
Dinner will be a few hours away, mate, but we'll see how we go. You're right over there, that's beautiful. That's the main thing. Alright, so we'll just flip that over a little bit more. I had to improvise a little bit. I actually forgot the fry pan, so you wouldn't believe it. Usually come with everything, but there's always something that you miss. So what I've done is I've pulled off the old lid off our cooker, and flip that over. I don't know if you can see that from where you are, but it's doing the job. Yeah, so it's all about improvising when you're camping. Flip that over a little bit more. It's just such a magnificent place here. It's just beautiful. Got the river here to the right. Camp set up fantastically. You know, couldn't ask for much more. All right, I reckon that's just about right to go. So I can pick that up. It's not hot at all, and we'll put that back down there for a sec. We'll grab the lamb and our rod and lift that up. Straight, once again, straight in the centre. Look at that. Magnificent. Okay. Beautiful. We're right to go. So the key is here. We've got, just follow me over. We've got here an old barbecue battery operated turner. Okay. So this just clips on here. Couple of pitchforks. Yeah. Look at that. Couple of garden stakes. We've got a square end here. We go bang. Straight in the centre. And there you have it. Look at that. This takes a large size battery in there, and that thing will just go all night. So we'll leave that on there for a couple of hours. We'll come back to it, I'll whip up a salad, and we're good to go. Okay, we're right to go. We've got the meat all ready. It's been on there for a few hours, so grab it off and let it rest a little. So Fab. How good's that? Unbelievable. Beautiful pork, lamb, all ready to go. Just gotta be careful with the heat. So the ideal thing to do is let it rest a little bit, and then we'll cut it up after about 10 to 15 minutes, and we're good to go. Who would have thought a couple of garden steaks, a Gasmart barbecue rotisserie, and we can produce something like this. Amazing. You know, we've got some beautiful pork, some lamb here. The guys won't go hungry. There's so much meat, it's unbelievable. We'll cut it up. It's cooked to perfection. Look at that. Beautiful. Good. You won't go hungry here, mate. I'll tell you. Look at that.
How's it crackled?
Look at that.
Perfect. Yeah, nice.
Unreal, mate.
Yeah. Taste of that a little bit.
Yeah, mate. What I'll do, I'll give you a bit of crackle, mate. Because seriously, the crackle's where it is.
Listen to that.
Listen to that,
Oh,
mate.
that's gold.
Mate, this is where this is what you want to taste. Wrap the laughing gear around that. You won't be disappointed.
Oh, that's perfect. Marvellous.
That's the thing.
Yep.
Not too hard, just melts in the mouth.
Yep.
Quite simple. Do yourself a favour, get out there, get a few garden steaks, the Barbie mate, bit of stainless steel,
Yep.
and you're good to go, mate. Mate, it's going to feed the whole crew. We're laughing.